Hi, in this video I'll show you how to remove Gmail synced contacts from your Android phone using a simple step-by-step method. If your contact list is cluttered with contacts synced from your Google account, or you simply want to stop Gmail contacts from appearing on your device, this guide will help you do it safely without deleting your Google account. First of all, open the Settings app page. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Here you can manage them by removing Gmail synced contacts. Next, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Depending on your device model and Android version, this option may also appear as Passwords and Accounts or simply Accounts. From there, select Manage Accounts to view all the accounts currently connected to your phone. Now tap on the Google or Gmail account that contains the contacts you no longer want synced to your device. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the correct one. After opening the account settings, tap Sync Account to see all the items that are currently syncing with your Google account, such as Calendar, Gmail, Drive, and Contacts. Locate the Contacts option in the list. Toggle the switch next to it to the off position until it turns gray. This will stop your Android phone from syncing contacts from that Google account going forward. Keep in mind that this action does not delete the contacts from your Google account. It only removes the synced contacts from appearing and updating on your device. If needed, you can re-enable contact syncing at any time by turning the contacts toggle back on. Hope this tutorial made things easier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.